Mike Draper with J.Racenstein University here, and just wanted to explain today top stabilization on a ladder. So if we're sending an employee out, or maybe we are the owner or whatever, but we don't want the ladder to do this on us, or we're on an area where we need some extra stabilization at the top, an easy way to do that is with one of these, a lot of people call them StandOffs, sometimes called a ladder stabilizer. But basically they install very easily. They install on one of the rungs of the ladder. You can see it's a double clipping system there and both here. And it clips in place like that. Of course, you've got your locking pin here that you put in place. Lock it in. And then what we're able to do is when we stand this onto the wall, it'll provide so that the top does not go back and forth on us. It's then stabilized. So that's how a ladder stabilizer works.